Let's learn about farm animals.
Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep. Baby sheep is called lamb. Sheep give us warm, fluffy wool. Pig. This is a pig. Pig. Baby pig is called piglet. Pigs love to play in the mud. It keeps them cool and happy. Chomp, chomp. Pigs love to eat corn. Goat. This is a goat. Goat. Baby goat is called a kid. Goats give milk and yummy cheese too. Duck. This is a duck. Duck. Baby ducks are called ducklings. Ducks lay eggs, smooth and white. Horse. This is a horse. Horse. Baby horse is called a foal. Horses are strong. They help carry loads. Chicken. This is a chicken. Chicken. Baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens lay eggs in their cozy nests. Llama. This is a llama. Llama. Baby llama is called cria. Llamas give soft fiber, warm and fluffy. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. Baby rabbit is called kid. Rabbits love to nibble carrots. Crunch, crunch. Bee. This is a bee. Bee. Bees work together, in and out of the hive.
Bees make sweet honey in their golden comb.
Cow.
This is a cow.
Cow.
A baby cow is called calf. Cows give us fresh milk. Turkey. This is a turkey. Turkey. Baby turkey are called chicks. Turkeys love eating corn. Peck, peck, peck.
Donkey. This is a donkey. Donkey.
Look at the baby donkey. It is called foal. Donkeys are strong. They help carry small loads on the farm.
Goose.
This is a goose.
Goose.
Baby goose is called a gosling.
Geese love to eat fresh green grass. Alpaca. This is an alpaca. Alpaca. A baby alpaca is called cria. It loves to stay close to mama. Alpacas give soft, warm fiber, perfect for cozy clothes. Ox.
This is an ox.
Ox. A baby ox is called a calf. Oxen are strong. They help pull light loads on the farm. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock. Baby peacocks are called peachicks. Look how tiny they are. Peacocks love eating grains and seeds. Farm cat. This is a farm cat. Farm cat. Baby cat is called a kitten. Farm cats help keep the barn safe from little mice. Farm dog. This is a farm dog. Farm dog. Baby dog is called a puppy. Farm dogs help guide and protect the sheep. pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeon.
Baby pigeon is called a squab.
Pigeons drink water by lifting their heads after each sip. Swan. This is a swan. Swan. Baby swans are called cygnets. Swans love to eat plants from the water. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. Baby ostriches are called chicks. Ostriches love to eat plants like leaves, seeds, and grass.
Thanks for visiting the farm.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Subscribe for more fun videos.